Here, I'm getting a hit. Give it.
What you gotta do is
just hold it. Probably a big grouper. Right there, I just seen it. There's a snapper about that big.
oh, bummer, dude. Okay, how do you turn this off?
Here, Trisha. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Get the game. Hold him here. Hold the rod there. Pull up, reel it down. Pull up, reel down. Do not let go of that rod. Pull up now. You gotta use the rod.
I wish he was in season.
Back up, back up, back up. Back up.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that grouper.
Beverly, Mommy caught a fish.
That is a pig of a
Not
grouper.
only a fish, that might be one of the biggest groups we've caught over here.
Golly.
Good job.
Set the rod down. Unbelievable.
Let her hold up.
I sure would like to have that for dinner.
Yeah. That would be good.
You got pictures?
Not pictures. Hold on.
Pull up. I got it now. Just keep him off the trim tab, Nicole. Here, Brandon, drive the boat. Oh no!
No, we got
Just spit it out at you.
Yes, I see him.
All right, don't pull it all the way to the tip now. All right, let me get Nicole. Come on, Nicole. Damn, that's another nice red snapper. We get dual pictures of y'all. See, Nicole. Awesome. Go. Okay. Oh my gosh, another group. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Got another one?
Yeah. Lonnie. Got color. Awesome. Okay, that's far enough. Don't reel it anymore. Going up here, just hold them pliers real good.